How to resolve temporary profile sign-in on Windows 10. Run reg edit as administrator. Delete all folders that has a .back extension on it. Run command prompt as administrator. Type GP update, then restart your computer. Was this helpful? Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more IT tips, tricks and news. We are posting helpful IT tips, tweaks, and tricks for your everyday IT issues. Let us know in the comments what you want to see in the next episode.